Okay, here's a song that I wrote 9 years ago based on some folklore in the southern part of Scotland. It's called Under the Eildon Tree. So here we go. There he found a quiet place to rest his weary bones. There he found a quiet place, but he was not alone. For a woman of great beauty sat upon the steed, and there she enticed a kiss under the Eildon tree. There she enticed a kiss under the Eildon tree. He stood there, eyes a-gaping at the Eildon Queen, for such a sight in these woods was rarely seldom seen. She became his heart's desire, she alighted from her steed. There she enticed his kiss under the Eildon tree. There she enticed his kiss under the Eildon tree. Whisked away on his steed with the Eildon Queen, whisked away for 7 years only to be seen, and found on yon Huntly bank as awoken from a dream. There he found his one true love under the Eildon tree. There he found his one true love under the Eildon tree. And as he waited for her call with a heavy heart, for he'd been overtaken with a love that would never part, a mind and heart